In this video, I'm going to go ahead and jump into solving this trig proof problem. If you'd like a more thorough explanation of proofs, watch the video called Trigonometric Proofs Part 1 on my YouTube channel. The first step in solving this problem is picking the side of the equation that you want to prove the whole equation from. Generally, I find it easier to pick the side of the equation that has the most stuff in it, so I'll prove this problem from the right side. So, in this problem, I'm going to manipulate the right side of the equation until it matches the left. So, my last step should read 2 secant x is equal to 2 secant x. Now, I'm going to begin this problem. I'm trying to make the right side of the equation match the left. I notice that the right side of the equation is sort of separated into 2 parts, whereas the left is just 1. So, to make the right more like the left, I want to combine the 2 separate parts into 1. Before I do this, however, I'm going to see if there's any simplifying that can be done in each of the parts so that the combination isn't as messy. Let's start with the cosine x over 1 minus sine squared x part. Ideally, I would like to get the numerator and the denominator in like terms so I can cancel some stuff out. If I look at my trig identities, I see that 1 minus sine squared x is equal to cosine squared x. So, I will change the denominator to cosine squared x. Now, I'm going to see if there's any changing to like terms that can be done in the 2 sine x over sine 2x part. I see in my trig identities that sine 2x is equal to 2 sine x cosine x. So, I'll change the denominator to 2 sine x cosine x. Now, if I look at the equation here, I see that I can cancel out a cosine x from this part, leaving 1 over cosine x, and I can cancel out a 2 into sine x from this part, leaving 1 over cosine x as well. Now, I must remember that I'm trying to get this side of the equation to look more like 2 secant x. If I look at my trig identities, I see that 1 over cosine x is equal to secant x. So, I can replace each 1 over cosine x with secant x. And now, I've put both parts of the equation in like terms, so I can very easily add secant x plus secant x and get 2 secant x. And now, we have made the right side of the equation look the same as the left, so we can bring down the left side of the equation. And we have finished our proof, because the right matches the left. If you found this video helpful, please go ahead and hit the like button. And also, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And as always, thanks for watching.